Companies using a customer relationship management system, or CRM, can see an up to 300% increase in conversion rates. And 47% have seen an increase in customer retention.
Let's look at how CRM data is used effectively in marketing.
Tip number 1, create segmented audiences. Use your CRM platform to group each audience into segments based on things like where they live, their job roles, and other factors. Then create hyper-targeted messages to reach each group.
Tip number 2, measure ad engagement. Compare ad campaigns using A/B testing to determine which is most effective. Then adjust the ads based on the highest conversion rates.
Tip number 3, analyze customer acquisitions. Compare the actions of customers who request a quote or make a purchase to those who do not. Adapt marketing plans respectively.
Need help with how to use CRM data in marketing? Give us a call. We'd love to help.